Welcome back to Chem with Kess, where we'll be discussing nucleophilic addition for aldehydes and ketones using Wolff Kishner. So the reaction that's written on the line looks like a primary amine. However, they call this hydrazine. Hydrazine. Forgive me if I didn't spell it right because I've never won a spelling bee contest. Hydrazine can be written also as NH2. However, when we think about how to connect atoms, the one on top would be the correct way to write it. Sometimes instructors like to write it as N2H4, which is just a condensed version. And then again, what's different about this reaction compared to the imine reaction is the conditions which this is in. This is under basic conditions. Later on, I will do a quick review to show you all the nitrogen-containing compounds and reactions that they can undergo in this chapter and the different looks of them. So that way they're kind of on one page so you don't get tripped up. But for right now, with Wolff Kishner, the way that I like to think about this reaction is the wolf eats the carbonyl. Yep, that's it. When that wolf eats the carbonyl, another way that you can think about this reaction is it is going to replace that carbonyl with hydrogen. So this is also another type of addition of hydrogens, which could be considered under the classification of a reduction reaction. So in this case, if I decide to eat the carbonyl, that means I'm pretty much munching down on it. Once I get that, what I have left, is just the base of the structure. Guess what? That's the answer. So whenever you use Wolff Kishner's reagent, which is hydrazine, you will always end with a functional group of an alkane. If instructors would like you to show where the hydrogens got added, remember it's going to be at the location of where the carbonyl used to be. However, where it's not necessary for us to draw those hydrogens. Now, the hydrogen of the aldehyde has to stay present because that it shows that it came from an aldehyde. So just make sure that you keep your aldehyde's hydrogen visible and the other ones don't necessarily have to be written. Let me know if you have questions.